ওকে, সো অ্যাক্সেস আমরা ওপেন করলাম। অ্যাক্সেস আমি একটু আগের ক্লাসের জিনিসটা দেখেনি। অ্যাক্সেস ওপেন করে তারপর এখানে কি অলরেডি আমাদের যেগুলো আছে সেগুলো না করে আমি নতুন একটা করতে চাই, দেন হোয়াট শুড উই ডু? Blank database. From the blank database, click on the blank database, then give the name of the database. So I'm giving the name. My database name is students. Okay, so this is just what I did. I just created a database. So in the database, we have to create multiple tables. Okay, so here we don't have any table, so you can see table 1, but what we have to do, we have to click on here. We have two view. One is datasheet view, another one is design view. From the design view, now give the name. Say for I'm giving the name person, and here we have the field names. So in fields means what? Table of the column. Column of the tables. Column of the tables. So the first thing is here you can see, look at here, this sign means P. This means what? Primary key. So I'm giving ID. So for NID number, so it should be, it could be number. These are the what? These are the data types. So you can use short text, long text, number, large number, date, time, currency, auto number. So I'm giving text, or I can give a number, and these are the what? These are the properties of the number field, and then I can give the name. Name obviously what? Name obviously text. So here you can give the descriptions. So personal ID, the name of the students or anything, and then what? We can give address, short, then we can give the blood group, we can give date of birth or DOB. So it should be date and time. Okay, so these are the way of what? Way of giving field name. Now change the view. After saving, change the view. So these are the what? These are the, this is the table name, and these are what? Okay, so now what can you do? You can give the what? Input. Say for ID is 100, name is Ahmed, address is Badda, blood group is AB negative, date of birth. Here you can see a calendar. From the calendar you can make a randomly, you can give a date. So this is a what? This way we can give the input. At the same time, what can we do? We can create a form. So you know how, just click on here and click on the forms. So this has become what? Form. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to save the form name by, you can give the same name, and now click close the form, click again on the form. So I did the same thing in the last class. I'm just recording the class. Okay, we did the same thing. I need a mouse. So here you can see the word form, and from, if you click on here new record, you can give new records. For example, someone ID is 101, name is Habib, address is Rampura, blood group is O positive, and date of birth. Okay, so just click here. So if you come back to the tables, you can't see the input that I just gave using the form. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to click on the refresh all. So after refreshing, you can see the input. So even after giving input to the form, what can you do? You have to refresh it. Then those data will be available in the where? In the table. Okay. So if you want, you can design the form. So we have an option of designing the form, or just click on the form. If you click the design view, from here you can even design the table. You can change the name. For example, these are the properties. Okay, so anyone who has idea about Visual Basic? Any idea about Visual Basic? Any idea about Visual Basic? No idea about Visual Basic?